Picture this, you've just arrived in the beautiful country of France, a land known for its breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage. As the adventurer that you are, you arrived with dreams in your heart and a suitcase full of possibilities. However, as you started to get settled, you discovered that behind every door, every contract, and every rental agreement, there lay a required insurance. Compulsory insurance, to be precise. Therefore, you feel lost in what you're supposed to do. No need to worry. In this video, we're going to dive into the 3 compulsory insurance and 3 extra ones that you need to consider taking when you settle for your new life in France. Bonjour, I'm Giga from the blog Expat in France. I am a French serial expat and you will find here information about French admin and French culture to adjust to your French life. When you settle in France, you quickly realize how bureaucratic the country can be. Many extra processes may be required from you, including insurance. You may even be requested to take out insurance when it's not mandatory. And guess what? You might already be insured without even knowing it. So let's explore some key insights to help you determine whether you need this insurance or not. But first things first, make sure you have compulsory insurance in France. Once that's done, the choice is yours. One of the first insurances you'll be required to have in France is Civil Liability insurance, especially if you're renting a property. Whether it's a furnished or unfurnished property and it's your main residence, you will have to get this insurance. It covers damages done to a third party and the owner will ask for an attestation before signing the lease contract. So civil liability insurance is compulsory when renting, but might not be sufficient. That's where housing insurance comes in. While it's not mandatory, it's highly recommended to have what is called multi-risk housing insurance. This insurance covers not only your personal belongings, but also damages to the property caused by events like water leaks, fires, or explosions. Plus, the multi-risk insurance includes the required civil liability coverage. Now, let's talk about the costs. The average cost of multi-risk housing insurance in 2023 is around €180 per year for an apartment and €360 per year for a house. Keep in mind that several factors can impact the insurance premium, such as the property size, the location, whether you own or rent, the value of your belongings, and the options that you choose. Don't forget that it's always good to shop around and compare different insurance companies to get the best deal. You can use the Loi Hamon, which we'll explain later, to switch insurance companies and save on premiums. And the best part? The new insurance company will handle most of the paperwork for you. Now, let's talk about car insurance. If you're bringing your car from another EU country, you will need to have third-party car insurance when relocating to France. However, if you're moving temporarily as a student, pensioner, second homeowner, or cross-border commuter from another EU country, there is good news. The requirement for third-party car insurance is waived. You can continue using your existing insurance policy from your home country for up to 8 months, provided it includes coverage in France. It's essential to confirm with your insurance company that you'll fully be covered during your time in France and understand the duration of the coverage. But what if you decide to take the plunge and acquire a French third-party car insurance? Well, my friend, it's a requirement. The roads of France cannot be traversed without proper car insurance. It's a legal mandate to ensure that every vehicle on the road is protected. However, car insurance premium can vary significantly due to diverse risk assessment methods, contract laws, and compensation schemes. So comparing insurance offers and finding one that suits your needs is crucial. The good news is that I share with you in the video's description the contact of an English-speaking insurance broker in France that will help you choose the best contract for your situation. And not only car insurance, but all compulsory insurance and much more. So no more guessing the French contract small letters. and get all the information from a trustworthy professional in plain English. Now let's talk about the documents that you will need to embark on your car insurance journey. First, gather information about the vehicle that you wish to insure, its brand, model, and year. Then consider the purpose of the vehicle, whether it is used for personal or professional reasons. Then provide details about the individuals who will be driving the car regularly, including any previous penalties received or accident history. Additionally, be prepared to share your previous insurance statements, a copy of your registration certificate, la carte grise in French, and a copy of your driving license. These documents will help insurance providers assess your situation and offer you the appropriate coverage. Now let's talk about another crucial insurance, the one that shields you and your loved ones in times of health-related challenges. When it comes to residing in France, health insurance is compulsory. Depending on your situation, you may be eligible to apply for the French social security system. However, if you're starting your journey in France without a job, it's highly recommended to consider private health insurance for the first year. And if you're coming to France under a long-stay visitor visa, the appropriate health insurance will be required by the French consulate to issue your visa. Also, since the public healthcare registration process can be very long, I'm talking about 6 months process, sometimes more, taking a private insurance will ensure that you're covered during the process of registration. Remember, registration for French healthcare is not automatic, so it's essential to follow the required process to ensure your medical costs are reimbursed. I did another video on this topic that you will find up there. So now you have your liability insurance or the multi-risk housing insurance, your car insurance, and your health insurance. These are the 3 compulsory ones. But there are 2 extra ones that you may need to get, and in some instances, you won't be given much of a choice. Here I'm referring to the school insurance. In France, there is a special insurance dedicated to protecting your kids during their school's adventures. This insurance covers children until secondary school in case of damages caused to themselves, others, or property. While this insurance is generally not mandatory for regular school activities within the premises, it becomes compulsory when extracurricular activities are organized, such as museum visits or sports events. It also applies to school canteen and childcare services. School insurance includes civil liability insurance covering damages caused by the child, as well as bodily injury insurance specific to your child. It's essential to review your existing insurance, such as the multi-risk or property insurance, as school insurance might already be included. And don't forget to inform your insurance company if your child changes schools. Last but not least, let's delve into the realms of the professional insurance. If you're starting a business or working as a self-employed professional in France, there are various insurances to consider. Professional liability insurance, assurance responsabilité civile professionnelle in French, is essential to protect yourself and your clients from any damages that may occur during your professional activity. It provides coverage for financial losses, legal expenses, and compensation claims. Additionally, depending on your profession, you might require specific insurance. It's crucial to consult with an insurance advisor or broker to determine the appropriate coverage for your specific professional needs. Before I explain how to cancel your insurance policy in France, remember to take the time to explore your options, compare prices, and find the ones that suit your needs best. The English-speaking broker will help you to make your choice. You will find the link of their services in the description below. So I promise to tell you how to cancel your insurance policy in France. Imagine you realize that your current insurance no longer fits your needs, or perhaps you're moving away from France. You're ready to bid adieu to your existing insurance contract, but the process seems daunting. So grab a pen and paper and let's dive in, as these tips may save you quite a bit of money. In France, insurance contracts often have a sneaky tendency to renew automatically, catching many unaware. Thankfully, there has been a change in French legislation as the customer now has the power to stop the insurance at any time after the first year of the contract. That's right. However, there is a small catch. There always is. A 30-day notice period applies, so be sure to plan ahead and give your insurer the heads up before cancelling your policy. So let's say that you're packing your bags and bidding farewell to France. You've got enough on your plate and cancelling insurance shouldn't add to your stress. Good news! If you're moving away, you can terminate your insurance contract by sending a letter by recorded delivery, including proof of your move. This can be a plane ticket, a transfer letter from your employer, or any document that verifies your relocation. Now let's say that you found another insurance company that better fits your needs or that is cheaper, for example. Guess what? You don't have to worry about the cancellation process. The new company you're switching to will handle the cancellation for you. It's as simple as that. Then they'll take care of the paperwork for you. The cancellation simplification that we've discussed so far applies to various types of insurance. And there you have it, a glimpse into the enchanting world of insurance in France. From civil liability and housing insurance to car insurance, health insurance, school insurance and professional insurance. These are the key shields that will accompany you on your exciting journey in France. I hope you like this video. You can give it a like and watch this video here that will help you in your move to France. See you there. Merci et à bientôt.